Sobra na yung snow ngayon guys. At kailangan kong wow! Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today's Wednesday morning and it is snowy Wednesday morning. Papunta ako sa office namin kasi I have to visit one patient. Nakakatamad lumabas kaso I have no choice. So kailangan kong pumunta sa aking pasyente, but I just only have one patient. I supposed to have two patients today, pero guys, yung isa nag-refuse. Sabi niya hindi safe mag-drive kapag may snow. Yung road condition is really bad. So, kaya yun. But I'm thankful for that. I'm so thankful for that my patient refused the visit today. Pero mayroon akong isa na pasyente na kailangan kong i-visit. Kasi meron siyang ostomy and I have to change his ostomy bag and just to make sure it's not leaking. So, I have to check the stomach. So, kailangan kong pumunta talaga doon kasi very essential yung visit ko ngayon dito sa aking pasyente na to. Kahit na ganito yung panahon, very bad weather. This is bad weather. We supposed to have 4 to 5 inches of snow today. So guys, nandito na ako sa bahay. Natapos ko na yung pasyente ko ngayon, yung home visit ko ngayong araw. Napasok na ako kasi kailangan kong gawin yung aking charting. So yun guys, medyo natagalan since my last vlog, since my last uploaded video. So eto na guys yung vlog ko for today. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye!